Hello YouTube friends and fans. I'm going to show you something you may not realize, but it will help me clean up this cord situation on a plasma cutter and a MIG. Alright, I'll bring you in closer so you can see what's going on. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. As you can tell here, I got two clamps. But what I don't need is both clamps. And here's why. Both of these units have a ground that I can turn and instantly insert into the other unit. Come on. So I can eliminate one of these cords completely, and it'll clean this mess up. Now, I'm going to use the original cable on the MIG, but I'm going to also switch the two clamps. This clamp is falling apart basically. So you can see here where it's bending on the cord side. So this other clamp seems a little bit stronger. Won't take much to change out. So first we just got to take off the cable connector off the clamp. I believe when I changed this out previously, because I upgraded this wire to the big 1/0. This is, I think it's like 6 gauge, maybe it's 4. I don't know. It doesn't matter what it is. It's not. It does the trick. But we'll make it better. That's the name of the game, right? Make it better. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. That is on there. Alright, there we go. Now the biggest screwdriver I own. Just kidding. Just the closest. Try not to run this screwdriver in my hand. Get that off. There we go, it's going. That's the ticket. Spin it around. It should slide down over the cable here. Just like so. It's coming along. Excellent. have to open up this area, and I need to grind some of this off. Well, I think that'll fit. Just got to open up the tabs here. So I need to make this hole bigger because I'm planning on actually reusing this. Yeah, let's see, is that big enough? Yes. Looks like I need a, probably should use a smaller bolt, but that's not the way I do things. Yep, I think we're good. Won't necessarily throw this wire away, but I am definitely probably done with it for a long time. Well, that's a lot cleaner. Now all I gotta do is switch it from side to side. So there's one. Or two. Pretty snazzy. Hey friends, thanks for watching. Need any help? Please comment below. I'll do my best. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and good luck to your projects in the future.